Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, we are going to show you how to create an Excel calendar template for any year, in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in any year calendar. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load multiple templates for any year calendar. Let's click on the third one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this calendar and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different calendars. Each template will give you a brief description on what it can be used for. When you find the any year calendar that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your any year calendar, ready for you to use. This calendar has each of the 12 months on a separate worksheet. You can also choose calendars that have all 12 months on a single worksheet. To change the year for this calendar, just click on cell K3 and change the year to any year of your choosing. Hit Enter, and the calendar will change to that year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.